Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching Beyond World as one with me, Diksha Bisla. Let's start with the headlines. Donald Trump tells Fox Business the war with Iran is very close to being over. While emphasizing that US is not done with its military campaign, it comes as Trump indicated that US-Iran peace talks they could resume later this week. JD Vance is expected to lead US delegation in upcoming negotiations with Iran, with Witkoff and Kushner also participating, according to CNN. Trump tells New York Post second round of talks could happen in Pakistan over the next 2 days. JD Vance says Trump told Tehran that the United States would make Iran thrive if it commits to not having a nuclear weapon, describes this as a potential grand bargain amid ongoing efforts to negotiate with Tehran. Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian says Tehran is not seeking unrest and has complied with international law, questioning the justification for attacks on the country during a visit to the government ministry. Israeli military says 3 Hezbollah operatives, including a member of the group's elite Radwan forces, surrendered in southern Lebanon's Bint Jbeil. This is after a close-range battle, handed over to military intelligence for interrogation. Xi Jinping meets Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov in Beijing. Lavrov says that Russia could help China offset resource gaps from the Iran conflict and announces that Putin plans to visit China in the first half of the year. US Treasury says it will not renew temporary sanctions relief for Iranian oil exports, tightening pressure on Tehran. The move signals a return to stricter enforcement as Washington ramps up economic pressure amid rising West Asia tensions. Holders PSG compete an emphatic 4-0 aggregate victory over Liverpool to reach the Champions League semi-finals. It means the Reds will officially end the season without a trophy.